So the bike shows HLU error. Now if you see it on the screen, this error comes basically when the fuse is out. A reason why you'll have the HLU error if the fuse is out, but your bike won't start. If you have an earthing problem, then the bike will start, but you'll have that error coming and headlight won't work. Now the reason what I found out is that this wire, I'm not sure if you can see, this wire, the white color wire is cut. I have just removed the tape. I'm going to remove this tape also. I'm going to fix the wire and hopefully that fixes the issue. ब्लैक टेप इसमें डिक्की में ही रख दिया था. डिक्की में नहीं तो यहाँ पे ये इसके पास है, ये मेरे पास नहीं है. ब्लैक टेप ब्रो दिख रहा. ओ तो काम करेंगे. So the HLU error is because of this wire that is broken. ये वो थी पतली वेस्ट वेस्ट भी है. ये ऊपर वाला है अपने ऑफिस का. मेरा प्यार है. There was a wire which was cut here. We taped it and fixed it back. This one we fixed it, and yeah, the wire condition what it is here, it's not supposed to be like that, but we have done as neat as possible. Hopefully the issue should resolve now. We'll know once we plug in. Just make sure you plug in back properly and keep it neat. Okay, let me try. Okay, the headlight is coming on. That means the issue must have gone too. The error should have gone. No HLU error anymore. You see? So I think now, yeah, the headlight should work now. Yeah, the daytime running is on, and yeah, headlight is on. High beam is on. That's resolved the issue. That resolves the issue. I'll put back the headlight and then we'll see. So we fixed the bike back. Yeah, so we fixed the bike back. The headlight is back. We'll turn on the bike now. You see the headlight is running. That means the headlight unit error is gone. That's how you know your work is done. Yeah, That's it. There's no more HLU error. That was about the HLU error on Duke 390. So if you have an error, you know what to do. You have to change the fuse if your vehicle don't start. If it start and you still have the error, headlight don't work, then you have to figure out earthing or one of the wire which is broken. You'll have to fix it back. So yeah, that was it. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and also comment down below what you liked, what you didn't like, if you faced any issues in your Duke 390 and what did you do. Till my next video, take care, have fun, ride safe.